Hey y'all, welcome back to Ladybug Budgets. This is Michelle. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Today we're going to work on our debt and we're going to finish up our group plays and collabs. I forgot that I didn't have another day before the month was over, so I forgot all about them. But we're going to finish them up today, so let's go ahead and we'll work on this little binder for our debt first. So we are working with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had $2 left over from last week. So we'll go ahead and we'll start back here on number 2 where we left off. So we're working on this little one from Sarah Saves 07. So we've only got 2 left. So let's go ahead and we'll see what this one is. Ooh, and that one's a 9. So I thought we might could finish, but maybe not. Let's take this 1 and we'll put in 2 5s and we'll see what we got. This one's going to save us 40. So we can see if we can finish. All right, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we can. So let's go ahead. It should be a 2. And it is. So we can go ahead and finish it up for 40. So we'll take these and grab a 5. So we've got 25, 35, and 40. And that's toward debt. So we're going to go ahead and put a clip on there. And I'll have to find another one to stick in here. Alrighty, in our number 3 spot, we're working on this one from Wild Everest. So let's go right here. Alrighty, and that one's for 4. Alrighty. So we'll take a 1 and grab a 5. So this one's going to save us 40, 45. So we've got 25, 30, 1, and 2. And we got 2 more scratchers on that one. So they must be a little bit spicy. Alright, our number 4 one we're working on is from Party Planner Papery. So let's go here. Alrighty, and that one's 5. So let's go ahead and do another one. So 5, and let's go here. And 6. So 11. Alrighty. So we'll do 5, 10, and 11. So this one's going to save us $70. So we've got 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So let's go ahead and switch those ones out. Alrighty, in our number 5 spot, we're working on this one from Rock's Budgets. So let's go right here in the middle. Alright, that one's $1. So let's see up here. Oh, that one's $1. So that's $2. So we're going to complete this one too. So 2 and 4. So $6 to complete on this one. Alrighty. 5 and 6. So this one saved us 25, 26, 27, and 28. So 28 on there. And we've got that one for debt. So we'll go ahead and put a clip on there. Alrighty, in our number 6, we're just starting this one. And this one is from Katie at Reynolds Budgets. So let's go right here. Phew, we're starting strong with a 9. And this one's going to save us $60. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to get that one going. Alrighty, and our next one is this one from Lemon Ivy, and it's been a little spicy, so let's go right here. Alright, that one's for 5. So we're not going again on that one just yet. Alrighty, so in this one, and this is a mystery save, we've got 20, 35, and 40 for it. Alrighty, and then we got this one from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. And let's go here. Alright, that one's 2. So let's go ahead and let's do one on this side. Let's go here. Alright, and a 5. So we'll add $7 into this one. And it's going to save us 50. Alrighty. So 5, 6, and 7. So in it now we have 25, 26, 27, and 28. Alrighty. So let's go back up here to the front. And we're doing this one from Budget with Carly. So let's do this one and finish this side up over here. Alrighty, that one's for 5. My vacuum sounds like it needs a battery change. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one will save us 60. So far in it, we have 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1 and 2. So I'm afraid to scratch again on it. Because we don't have a lot of money left. So, alrighty. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and try another one on this one with Trisha. And this is Wild Everest. So let's go here. Alrighty, that one's 4. And this one is a mystery save. So, no, this one is a 45. Alright, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is 2 through 9. So I haven't got a 9 yet. So I'd say that's a 9. So 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're not going to go there again. And we've got $5 left. So let's go back here to Letty and hope for the best. I do have a few ones up here if I need them. So let's go right here. And I'm going to need them. So that is 5. So we need $3. Alrighty, let me see here. So I need $3. Let me get my change bag up here and I'll grab $3 out. That way we don't get an OU. It's 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Alright, so out of the 70 with this one now, we have 25, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alrighty, so that keeps us from getting IOU in that one. Let's see, and let me put my clip back here. So we will start on whatever we put in number 5 next time. Alrighty, so that takes care of that. Alrighty, and then we've got this binder, and it's toward our debt too. So I hadn't been working on debt as much for a few months, and I decided I wanted to save more for it. So we're working 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had $2 left over last time. So let's go back here where our clip is. And we're going to start with Savings with Tracy. Alrighty, so let's go right here in this corner. Alrighty, and that one's for 7. Alright. So let's take these 3 ones and we'll put in 10. So now out of these 70, we have 20, 35, and 40. Alrighty, and then we are just getting this one going. And it's budgeting with Kim. I like Cat's Coffee and maybe 3 people. So let's go here. Alrighty, and that one's for 5. So let's scratch once, and then if we have money, we'll come back up to the front and go again. So out of the $50, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 with that one. Alrighty, and then we're working on this one from Trisha at Wild Everest. So let's go here. Alright, that's 2, so we can go again on this one. So let's go ahead and see right here. Alright, that one's 5, or 3, so it makes 5. Alrighty. So add 5 more in here. Alright, so we have 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alrighty, and then we're doing this one from Becca Budgets. So we're just getting it going a little bit. So let's go on this side. Let's go here. Ooh, goodness. We got a 9. Alrighty, so we're going to stop on that one. Alrighty, so we'll take $1 and we'll add 5 and 10. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Alrighty, now we'll go up here to the front. And we're doing this little cute one from Budget with Carly. And let's go right here. Shoot, goodness. I might just should roll instead of picking myself. That was $10. But we do have it, so 5 and 10. Alrighty, so this one is going to save us $80. So we've got 20, 45, 55. Alrighty. And then we are just starting this one. And this one is from Budgeting with Lysandra. And she sent this to me in Happy Meal. I think it's so cute. So let's go right here. Alrighty, that was 3. So let's go ahead and try one more. So let's go over here. Alright, and another 3. So we'll add $6 in here, and this one's going to save us $42. Alright, so 5 and 6 to get that one going. Alright, now we're back to Tracy here. Alrighty, let's see. Let's go here. Oh my gosh. Seriously. Tracy. 13. But we do have it, so. Alright, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I'm glad we're getting that now the way. Alright, so now out of the 70, we have 20, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, now we're back here, and we still got a little bit of money, so this one's Budgeting with Kim, so let's go here. Alrighty, and that one's for 5. Not sure, I wouldn't expect on 13. But at least we did have an IOU, so now with this one out of the 50, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Alrighty, and we still got a little money, so we'll go back here. Alrighty, and let's go here. Alrighty, that one's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's go ahead and finish this one if we can. Alright, and a 5. So I think we're still okay. So we need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So we did get to complete one here. Alrighty, so this one it was a mystery save. So we've got 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, and 3. So $33 on this one. So yay. So 33. And this is to debt. So I don't forget. Alrighty. So we got that one complete. Alrighty. And we're back here to Becca. So let's try one more on her. And hopefully we got enough. Let's go right here in the middle. 2 and a 7. Alright. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got $1 left over. Alright, now in this one we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Alrighty. So last time Carly got me, this time it was Tracy. So we'll put our clip to start back up front. And this last $1, I'm going to put right back in here, and we'll use it next time. So, we didn't get IOU, which is great. Alright, now we're going to work on our group plays and collabs. Alrighty. So, I am going to finish up for September, because like I said, I forgot that I wouldn't have another day to do them, so I didn't think nothing about the group plays to finish those up or anything. I just completely forgot. So I've got a little bit of extra money in here to complete. If we complete them, I have new ones to put in, and we'll just put it in toward them. So we're working on 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 70. So we'll do what we can do, and like I said, if we have extra, then we'll just go in and use the extra toward next month's. That way we get a little bit caught up if possible. So alrighty, we're going to finish this one up, and this was my September group play. So we need to roll and see what we put in here. Alrighty, and that's a 6. Alrighty, so 5 and 6. So with this one, we were able to save 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, and 3. So $23. Alright, so that one's done. Grab me a clip over here. Alrighty, and this is my October group play. It's on my Ko-fi and my Google Drive. So if anybody wants to play, it's got 6 little rolling saves here for October. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll stick it in here. Alrighty, and then we got Ellie on Earth. And let's see here. We need to scratch here for 4. And then we'll roll for here. Alright, and a 5. So $9 on this one. Alrighty, so I'm going to take the 1 and we'll put 5 and 10. So with this one, we were able to save 25, 35. So let me stick that on here, 35. Alrighty. So that takes care of that one. Alright, and then we've got this one from Doodle Dollars. And I've not looked to see if, I don't remember, I don't think I've got her next month yet, but. Okay, this one is 6 times. 6 times. So I'm over on my 3-sided dice. Alright. 6 times 3 is 18. Ew, lordy. Alrighty, so we'll do 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Alrighty, and then we need a plus 5. So it's a 1. So $6. Alrighty, so 6 more. Alright, so let's see here. With this one, we were able to save 20, 45, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's awesome. 64. That would scare me a couple times. The 18 was the highest. But I had a 12 and 11. And but I really enjoyed it. I like these like this. So $64, that's great. Alrighty, and then we have Angela Marie 888. Alrighty, so we've got 2 more on hers. So we've still got some money, so let's use this one. Alright, that's a 4 and a 3. So $7. So 5, 6, and 7. Alrighty, so with this one, we were able to save 20, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So awesome. 38. And let's grab us another clip here. Alrighty, and I have her October. So let me see up here. Alright, and it's this little cute one. So I thought it's adorable. So we'll go ahead and stick that one in here. Alrighty, and then we've got Grammy's Journey. And we like 4 and a 1. So we'll do 4 and 1 for $5. Alrighty, so 5 more in here. So with this one, we save 25 and 30. So awesome. At $30. Alrighty, and we'll go ahead and put a clip on this one. And I have hers for this month. So it is this one. I think this is her group play. If not, I'm just going to use it as her group play, but I think it is. So this one is a times and a plus, gobble till you wobble. So I'm going to try that again. Alright, so we'll stick that one in there. Alright, and then we've got Enchanted Toadstool budgets. And we need 2, 3, 4, and 5 to complete this one. And I've not got her other one yet either, so this one saves 40, so 20, 30, 5, and 41. So I'm going to steal that one back, and that way, just in case we need it, because that one was a little spicy. Alright, so that's 40. Alrighty, so that takes care of that one. Alrighty, and then we've got Eva. And we need to roll our 3-sided dice twice. Alright, so that's a 2. And a 2. So we need to add $4. So we'll take a 1 back and add a 5. So with Eva, we say 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alrighty. Yeah, I completely forgot to finish these before the end of the month. So they're going into my next month. So, but that still works. Alrighty, and I have Eva's other one. So it's this little cute one. So we'll stick it in. Alrighty, and then we have Happy to Save with Hannah. And we're doing our 3-sided dice. We need 3 more rolls here. Alright, so 3, 3, and 3. So $9 in here. So I don't have another 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, with this one, we saved 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 35. So that's awesome. Alrighty. So we'll stick a clip on there. And I have her other one. So it's this cute little one. So adorable. Alrighty. And we'll put that in there. And so we've got $2. So we won't be able to work on these other ones. What I'm going to do is stick this in here in the front. We'll add it for next time. And I'll try to be able to get caught up on these newer ones. But I'm also going to do these. And we have Penny Pincher Budgets. So that's her October. We have Karen at Let It Be Budgets, and this is her first group play, I think. So if y'all haven't checked out Karen, make sure and go and check her out. She's awesome and just so sweet. And then Divine Savings. So I've got those to go in, and so I'll get those all lined out, and then we'll be ready to go next time. And also, I have my new group play on my Ko-fi and Google Drive. So if anybody wants to join me on that, I would appreciate it. So I appreciate everybody watching. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Thank y'all.